Although it is rare, some houses on the Greek islands are not registered to the title deed. This can be fixed during the acquisition process, but it's going to cause delays. This is why working with professionals is important. Greek islands are an attraction because of their unique landscapes, natural beauty, historical nature, and architectural structures. Of course, it's possible to find houses for sale in the Greek islands that host many visitors and tourists. The prices of houses in the Greek islands vary. Let's quickly go through the most popular Greek islands for real estate acquisition. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell to get alerts when a new video is posted. Mykonos is famous for its beaches, almost 300 days of sunshine, whitewashed buildings, and crystal blue sea. Even though the houses in Mykonos are built in traditional architecture, they're very comfortable. It's an island perfect for all ages, such as taking a walk through the narrow streets and watching the sunset from Little Venice. Head to Mykonos town and in the evening enjoy a night out in the many bars and clubs. It also has enough schools, hospitals, and markets nearby. The prices can be some of the highest in Mykonos real estate. Santorini has been chosen as the most beautiful island in the world more than 4 times and is one of the most photographed places globally. So, if you have a quick look at the Santorini real estate options, you will find many houses with romantic views. Is one of the most passionate destinations and attracts thousands of tourists every year and is awe-inspiring. The architectural structures on the island have a volcanic form. And the architecture is in the traditional Cycladic style, with white painted houses. Santorini is one of the most expensive islands in Greece. Almost every house preserves its traditional architecture. Moreover, architectural structures that would disturb the naturalness of the island aren't allowed. Paros Island is a place that Greeks and middle-aged European tourists prefer. It impresses with its quiet and charming villages, clear beaches, and whitewashed houses. On the island, you can find every shade of both green and blue. A Mediterranean atmosphere dominates the island. Olive trees and hills covered with vineyards are a visual delight for visitors. Thus, Paros real estate attracts a lot of attention, especially from those seeking tranquility. Rhodes is high on the list of nature and history-loving tourists. It hosts many tourists every year during the summer months. It ranks first among the best preserved islands in Europe. Thus Rhodes's real estate prices are ranking high. The medieval old town, protected by UNESCO, is fascinating. Apart from its historical heritage, Rhodes Island is also popular for vacation tourism. Purchasing property on a Greek island is a relatively simple process if you are well prepared. Obtaining legal aid can greatly expedite the process. The closing will take 4 to 6 weeks once you've decided on the property you want to buy. Deciding to invest in a property from the Greek islands real estate market can be both a profitable and enjoyable investment. Either as a pure investment or a second home, Greece offers countless benefits. Contact us for your inquiries on real estate investment in Greek islands. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell to get alerts when a new video is posted. You are welcome to write your comments, questions, or concerns you would like to share.